Hey everyone! Welcome back to Maddie's Creative Corner. It's so good to have you here. Today we're going to be reviewing the 3-in-1 liner gel kit from Vettsy. It includes 12 colors, so let's go ahead and look at the colors. First we have number 1, and it's a gorgeous reflective gold color. 02 is a silver reflective color. You can see just how gorgeous these colors are. Number 3 is kind of like a rustic silver, like a coin kind of color. I like it. Then we have number 4, which is a black liner gel. And then number 5, which is a white liner gel. These are super pigmented and I've loved using them so far. This is number 6 and it's a very beautiful red. Number 7 is a fuchsia color or like a bright pink. Then number 8 is a very nice blue. Number 9, we have this kind of like nude pink color. Number 10, we have a beautiful deep green. 11 is a slightly darker shade of blue. And finally 12, it's this really beautiful peachy nude color. So I'm going to be using these liners today to create a press-on set. And I'm always applying a rubber base first to all of my press-on nails to make sure that they're sturdy and last long. And then I'm going to be using this beautiful milk jelly color from Vettsy, and I'm going to apply 2 coats of this to all of the nails. As you can see, the coverage of this gel is beautiful. I also received this whole line of gel, so I will definitely make a review. And then with that beautiful green color, I'm going to add some stems for my flowers, and then I will go ahead and also add a few leaves. You can really like freestyle this, freehand this. Your lines don't have to be perfect, and the flower stems are really easy to make. Following that, I took the white liner and I added some little white flowers on some of the stems. Then I picked up the bright pink and I added some more flowers. And finally, with that beautiful blue color, I added some like tulip inspired flowers. And then with the gold liner, I added some cute little details here and there. And then I decided to outline the nails that were full on just color without any flowers. And I also outlined it, created kind of like a half French line on the top part of the nails. And of course, you can't forget your shiny top coat. And it's finally time to put the whole press-on look together. Here you can see is how I give out my press-on nails on this cute little card with my sticker of my brand on it. And here's what all of them look like together. And this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It is a little different than what I usually post, but I wanted to try some new things. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe, leave a like and a comment telling me what you thought, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!